Y'all better watch this side over here. Y'all was letting me get up on that side real easy. Watch that side over there. You know how it's hard for people like they behind the barrier and look this way.
Marking them,
If they not left.
How many did the other team even get?
Huh?
Did they even get any?
I think they got like 1 or 2. But like you know how like if you behind something, if you're not left-handed, yeah, it's hard for you to look around the side. So if you come right side,
I can't look down my sight.
right. I had a face mask. My bad. A defogger joint. Man, you can't do nothing with those.
Yeah, stay your side. Don't put behind the yellow line, please. Behind the yellow duct tape.
Some dude, he was trying to like defend the area, and I saw him. He's just standing. It's right on the like. Is he? I thought suits up.
Right. Yeah. It's people on the back.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get enough line going. We need all sides covered.
Okay.
You guys gotta move up to the sides and cover them.
All right, I'm gonna be moving to this side.
Stay to your side. Hands up. Thumbs up.
I got this side, y'all. I got this side. I just need somebody to get my back though. Go.
Stay to your side if you can. Hey, be sure to let me know how many your team has.
Got it. crack shooting. You peek around that corner. Don't just put your gun up. Garage 10, garage 10. On your right, right there, right there, right. Right there. That's it.
That's big, guys.